Hello mates, welcome to another video. Today I am reviewing this thing. It's a big one. This is the Airbus. It's an RC1.200. RC full functioning. Can you go forward, backward, turn right, turn left, light, music, and start. So over here, I don't know. As you can see, it's made by this company, Yuli Toys. And yeah, that's the company. Over here have like where I can go. There's the stop thing, and over here you can see front, middle, forward, left, and turn right. Over here have the warning thing. Whatever. So we have the number. So this is number 58401. And over here have the functioning things. There's music. This thing has music. And this is the side of the box. Over here it's just like a normal Airbus 360, but it has the funny light things and yeah, remote control. So this is like a bag, and then on this side you can see it's different. It is red. Even though this thing is blue, it's red. You can see the back. So this is the remote. It's a small remote. This means this is the flippy floppity flop. And yeah, open that thing, you get the batteries. So yeah, not much. So there's supposed to be like a plastic thing on top of it, but I didn't do it. So yeah, you can see the background, which is amazing. And over here I have a mountainscape, sky, the ocean, and yet islands. And this is the box cover. That's the box color of this thing. So I'm just going to make it a bit zoom in. Oh, there we go. So this is called the Sky Super Airline, fast to fly. Sky, and it doesn't say any like Airbus 360 on it. And here's the paint. This is the wiring thing. So these things have light things in it as well, and this thing have the doors, have the wheels. So this thing like goes on the ground. This is the turn on button. This is where the sound comes out. That's me. So this is where you put the batteries. So this is like a charging thing, because there was a charging, because I had a charging thing, but I lost it. But as you can see in the charging thing, you can see wiring. That means you can't charge this. What's this? Meaning that this thing doesn't even work. So you can see I'm going to turn it on. It's on. This thing is on because there's apparently no. So this have this thing. So it's telling it to move, and you can see it's not moving. Yeah, it's not moving. And now I don't even know why the thing's moving. It should be moving. And now you get the screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this thing to show you what is the inside of this thing. So I have the wings. Yeah. You can see what's inside. So the Airbus 360 is the world's biggest plane lately, because before it broke the record, it can handle about how many people? About 500, something like that. I've been on one before a few times, and yeah. So it has 4 engines. Oops, so we have the screwdriver. These are the screws, and yeah. So this is where the charger and the batteries go. So this is the battery, this is the charger, which is supposed to connect into this hole. which I show you, nothing. So now I'm just going to continue unscrewing it. So I got it to put the past